overhead. Have the lead unit back off a bit.
That's 5. Henry 1 is overhead. It's the lead unit back off a bit. 17.
Okay. I'll leave the back. Holy shit! Oh, David! Oh my god, he did it! Ah! Oh my.
Oh.
Shit.
No, no, veloce.
Oh my.
Oh. Jesus Christ.
Did that car just run into that?
Yes. Oh!
Allt bra?
Ja,
Alltså hallå, vad gör du?
vadå vad gör jag? Vadå vad gör jag?
Allt är bra med
Stearns grew up outside of Chicago, not a drop of salt water in sight, but he remembers he was 5 or 6 when he first encountered Megalodon in the movie Jaws.
I watched it over and over on a videotape.
God damn it! Woo! Damn, that was close.
Yer!
We're
Westerland sector. Only for a brief second did I dare to look outside. Wisps of cloud passed by my wings, and as far as I could see, there was nothing but cloud and more cloud. My variometer showed a steady climb of 9 feet per second.
God damn it!
The airspeed indicator oscillated peacefully between 200.
Jesus Christ.
Charge. How long does it take to fully charge? Yeah, like a half an hour. Well, you don't want to. People will get used to it because it's a little different. Like for a gasoline car, you want to.